Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the astonishing effects of drinking coconut water for just 7 days. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about this tropical drink? Well, coconut water is not only refreshing but also packed with essential nutrients. It's rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, making it a natural hydrator that can help replenish your body after a workout or a long day in the sun. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. From boosting your metabolism to improving digestion and even enhancing skin health, the benefits are truly remarkable. Imagine feeling more energized, hydrated, and revitalized in just a week. In this video, we'll explore how incorporating coconut water into your daily routine can lead to transformative changes in your overall well-being. So, grab a coconut, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Coconut water is often hailed as nature's sports drink, and for a good reason. Packed with essential nutrients, it offers a refreshing way to hydrate while nourishing your body. One of the standout features of coconut water is its impressive electrolyte content, particularly potassium, sodium, and magnesium. These electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, supporting muscle function, and preventing cramps, especially during physical activity. In addition to electrolytes, coconut water contains vitamins such as vitamin C and several B vitamins, which contribute to immune support and energy metabolism. It's also rich in minerals like calcium and phosphorus, essential for bone health. What's more, coconut water is low in calories, making it an appealing choice for health-conscious individuals looking to stay hydrated without the added sugars found in many sports drinks. With its unique blend of nutrients, coconut water is a delicious way to boost your hydration and overall health. Staying hydrated is essential for our bodies to function optimally. Proper hydration supports everything from digestion and circulation to temperature regulation and cognitive function. When we sweat or engage in physical activity, we lose vital fluids and electrolytes, which can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. Coconut water shines in this area, as it naturally replenishes electrolytes without the added sugars and artificial ingredients often found in sports drinks. With its high potassium content, coconut water helps restore electrolyte balance effectively, making it a fantastic choice for post-workout recovery. Many people have shared their experiences of feeling more energized and less fatigued after switching to coconut water for hydration. One friend mentioned how she noticed a significant difference in her energy levels during her workouts, attributing it to the natural electrolytes in coconut water. With its refreshing taste and health benefits, coconut water is a delicious way to stay hydrated and maintain that crucial electrolyte balance. Coconut water is not just a refreshing drink. It also offers impressive benefits for digestive health. Rich in fiber, it can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, making it a great addition to your daily routine. The natural enzymes found in coconut water, such as bromelain, can aid in breaking down food, promoting smoother digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, coconut water may play a role in promoting gut health by supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall wellness, and incorporating coconut water can be a simple way to nurture it. To enjoy the digestive benefits of coconut water, consider adding it to your morning smoothie, using it as a base for salad dressings, or simply sipping it throughout the day. You can even freeze it into ice cubes and add them to your favorite beverages for a refreshing twist. Embrace coconut water as a delicious ally for your digestive health. Coconut water is not only a hydrating beverage, but also a fantastic ally for skin health. Staying well hydrated is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. When you drink coconut water consistently for a week, you may notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and clarity. Many users report a more radiant complexion and reduced dryness, thanks to the natural hydration it provides. The antioxidants and vitamins in coconut water, particularly vitamin C, can help combat free radicals, promoting healthier skin. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may reduce redness and irritation, making it suitable for various skin types. To incorporate coconut water into your skincare routine, consider using it as a toner or mixing it into your favorite face masks. You can also apply it directly to your skin for a refreshing boost. With just a week of coconut water, you might be amazed at the positive changes in your skin's health and appearance. Coconut water is gaining popularity as a natural energy booster, and for good reason. Packed with electrolytes and essential nutrients, It provides a refreshing way to fuel your body before or after workouts. Unlike sugary energy drinks, coconut water hydrates while replenishing lost electrolytes, making it an ideal choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Many individuals have shared their experiences of enhanced performance during workouts after incorporating coconut water into their routines. They report feeling more energized and less fatigued, allowing them to push through challenging exercises with greater endurance. If you're looking to elevate your fitness game, consider using coconut water as a pre- or post-workout drink. It's not only delicious but also a healthier alternative to traditional sports drinks. Whether you sip it before hitting the gym or enjoy it afterward to aid recovery, coconut water can be a game changer for your energy levels and overall physical performance. In conclusion, drinking coconut water for just 7 days can lead to a multitude of health benefits. From improved hydration and electrolyte balance to enhanced digestive health and glowing skin, this natural beverage truly packs a punch. We've explored how coconut water can boost your energy levels and support physical performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their wellness routine. Remember, staying hydrated and nourishing your body with the right nutrients is essential for overall health. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from the amazing effects of coconut water. Together, let's embark on a journey to better health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.